Happy holidays everybody, and welcome to my video. Before we get started with this Mrs. Claus makeup tutorial, ensure that you're following me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, comment down below, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you guys so much for your support. Now let's get started. We're gonna get started with foundation. Now it's time to highlight and contour. I'm going to enhance the cream highlight and contour with powder highlight and contour. Now I'm going to apply actual highlight with shimmer and going to apply blush. I'm applying the eyeshadow right now, and I'm going to be using some pinky shades because Mrs. Claus deserves it. She works hard. Look at that pink. Woo-hoo. Got the crease. Cut crease is complete. Now I was thinking maybe go a little softer and, you know, oh, Mrs. Claus, she's so cute, you know, like this. No, we're gonna give her glamour. Mrs. Claus, you deserve to be glamorous, okay? You deserve it, girl. Going to surprise you with what I'm going to apply on the lid. Just wait and see. We just take a moment and appreciate this moment. Just appreciate this moment. Live in the moment, live in the moment, live in the moment. Live in the glittery moment that is this eyeshadow look. Look at the difference. Ooh, Mrs. Claus glamour and Mrs. Claus, Mrs. Claus, and Mrs. Claus. No, we're gonna become this side. Ooh, Mrs. Claus, you're getting a makeover. And to apply lashes. Got our lashes on. Ooh, Mrs. Claus, watch out for her. We're going to draw on the eyebrows and then apply lipstick. Oh, it's time to get ready. Ensure that you're following me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. like this video, comment down below, and share this video with friends and family. Happy holidays, everybody.